Hello, I'm Rachel and today we're going to divide and replant some primroses. Primroses are beautiful plants for moist, dappled shade, and in spring they provide masses of colour. They can be divided easily to make lots of new plants. Primroses produce flowers on short stems and Polyanthus produce several flowers on a tall stem, but both can be divided in exactly the same way. Primroses and Polyanthus can be divided either immediately after flowering, which is probably May, or in early autumn, that is September or October. If your winters are particularly severe, you'll probably get better results by dividing in May, as this will allow your plants to re-establish before winter hits. Choose a healthy clump and lift your primrose with a fork. Make sure to take enough soil that the roots are not damaged. Shake off as much soil as possible and plunge your clump into a bucket of water. Leave for at least an hour. You will now need to tease your plant apart, working with the natural divisions in the clump. Try to untangle roots rather than tear them. You may need to nip the rhizome between the natural divisions with a secateurs to separate them. Now you'll need to trim the primrose roots to about 4 inches in length. Cut the leaves in half to prevent water loss, since the plant's roots will be working at reduced capacity. Replant your primroses in their new position. Plant the small pieces too. Although there's no guarantee they will grow, primroses are tough plants and they may surprise you. If there's an old woody centre to the plant, discard that. Water in your newly divided primroses using a high potash liquid fertiliser at half strength. Keep your plants moist and shaded until they are established, and you can look forward to lots of new plants and flowers the very next spring. Happy growing!